How to block holidays or special dates in Brisk Appointment. Holidays and special dates can be blocked from availability in Brisk Appointments. Go to Settings and click on the Holidays tab. Standard public holidays are included by default. Select from No Holidays, use only My Holidays, or use both Default Public and My Holidays at the top of the page. Click the Add New Holiday button to add additional holidays. Continue watching for more details on how to block holidays or special dates in Brisk Appointment. Brisk Appointment lets you manage non-working days, holidays, or custom dates so clients can only book when you are available. This is done on the Holidays tab in Settings. At the top of the page are several options. If your business is always open for scheduled work days, select the No Holidays option. If you close your business on select days but do not follow public holidays, select Use Only My Holidays. If you are closed for both public holidays and other occasions, select Use both Default Public and My Holidays. To add a custom holiday, click the Add New Holiday button. Enter the holiday name and date, then click Save New Holiday. Existing holidays can be updated by clicking the pencil icon or removed by clicking the trash icon. Blocking holidays and special dates ensures that your calendar reflects your true availability. This prevents clients from booking on days that your business is closed. For more Brisk Appointment tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.